Scottsdale Tower 3, 730 Juliet Romeo, coming up on Carefree with Oscar, full stop.
2730, do you want me to cross the tower? Make right traffic runway 2 report 5 northwest for possible base.
Right traffic for 21, move report 5 miles on, 0 Juliet Romeo.
6 kilo golf, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, 6 kilo golf, we'll do a touch and go.
Oh yeah, 6 kilo golf, do you see the Premier depart?
Affirmative.
So 6 kilo golf, maintain visual separation at Premier's departure, runway 21, clear touch and go.
Maintain visual at Premier, clear to land 21, touch and go. Tower 919 with Charlie.
Copy 9 in charge, yes sir.
Okay, you descend unrestricted to about our current location below us for some more work at 2000.
Copy 9 in charge for your guys requested.
I'm Charlie, thank you.
And 9 Romeo Mike, you want us to go to departure?
Number 9 Romeo Mike, affirmative. Contact Phoenix departure, good day.
It works 9 Romeo Mike.
Execjet 101, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, line up and wait, traffic, Sierra straight base. Number 7 Lima Alpha, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 21. Execjet 101, runway 21, clear for takeoff, traffic, turning left crosswind.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21, Execjet 101.
00 Juliet Romeo, runway 21, clear to land, 1 departure prior to arrival.
21, clear to land, 0 Juliet Romeo.
6 kilo golf, begin that crosswind turn, please.
We're in the turn, 6 kilo golf.
Aviator 42, caution wave turbulence, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Execjet 404 in your right turn, or correction, Execjet 101 in your right turn, contact Phoenix departure.
Right turn going to departure, Execjet 101, good day.
919, Charles down here, like to return into Sun State.
Helicopter 9 Lima Charlie, Roger, landing Sun State will be at Toronto, proceed inbound.
For 9 Charlie.